Teacher Sheena daw, she gives diagnostic and follow-up tests, revisiting challenging words to help students improve spelling and vocabulary. What type of writing strategy is she applying? Is it cognitive instruction, B. self-regulated strategy, C. metacognitive, or letter D. study test technique? Nagbibigay daw siya nitong mga diagnostic and follow-up tests. Ayun. Then, after niya magbigay ng mga yon, i-revisit niya ulit yung mga challenging words. So, based dun sa results ng mga test ng mga bata, dun niya makikita kung alin pa yung kailangang i-revisit to help them improve spelling and vocabulary. So, therefore, ang sagot po natin ay, ayun, nakita ko na. It's letter D. Yon. Ang tawag sa technique na yon ay si study test technique. So, sa study test technique, again, the students will study or review the material ulit. In this case, ang nire-review nila is yung mga challenging words. Then after that, they will take a test para matest yung kanilang mastery dun sa kanilang pinag-aralan. Then after that, magpo-provide ang teacher ng feedback. If kailangan pa ng follow-up review, dun nila gagawin based dun sa feedback or results ng kanilang assessment. Okay, so that is the study test technique.